In today's video, I am going to teach you how to manage mature content settings on your account on Steam. By the end, you'll know exactly how to fine-tune what you see in the Steam store so it matches your comfort level. First, log into your account using either the desktop app or your web browser. Both work the same way for what we're doing today, so choose whichever you prefer. Make sure you are signed into the correct account you actually use for browsing and buying, since these settings are tied to your profile. Next, go to your preferences. Look to the top right corner and click your profile name. From there, select Account Details. On the Account Details page, click Store Preferences. In some layouts, you can also find Store Preferences directly in the drop-down when you click your profile name. Either path takes you to the same place where all the filtering controls live. On the Store Preferences page, scroll to the section labeled Mature Content Filtering. This is where you'll see a list of checkboxes that control which kinds of mature content appear as you browse. These filters affect the visibility of products on the store, in recommendations, and in search results. They don't remove items from your library. They simply control what's shown to you while shopping. Now, adjust your content settings. If T here is something you don't want to see, uncheck its box to filter it out and hide it from the store. If you are comfortable seeing certain categories, check those boxes to allow them. For example, you can choose to allow content such as frequent violence or adult-only sexual content by checking those specific options. Think about your own preferences here and pick the level that feels right. You can always come back and change these choices later if you want to be more strict or more open. Once you've set everything the way you like, you don't need to hunt for a save button. These preferences typically save automatically. Simply navigating away from the page will apply the changes. If you want to confirm, head back to the store or your discovery queue, and you should notice the recommendations and search results reflecting your new filters. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.